Hi guys, today I want to talk to you about this Hot Tools Professional Crimper, or Deep Waver is what they call it. This is still hot, so I gotta be careful. So I got this from Ulta. I think it's online only. I really like the color of this one because it's just black and white. It's easy on the eyes. It's very neutral. I mean, it's black and white. The waver is this big. This is how it looks like on the bottom, top. It does have a locking mechanism. The first time I used this, my hands cramped so bad. So I had to use the locking thing to keep it in place. As you will see, it will only take like a few seconds on the high heat and then I don't have to use the locking mechanism anymore. But yeah, that's a good storage. But I mean, that's how you would store it anyway, in the bathroom or wherever you store your stuff, in your beauty room. But I don't have a beauty room, so it goes in the bathroom. So you would store it like this, but this would help you also if your hands cramp, if you're not used to something like this, because I was not used to this. It goes all the way up to 430 degrees, so it's super hot. Now let's go to the demo with this crimper. It really does not take super long for this deep waver to heat. I also use this thing from Follica.com that I got like 10 years ago because the bottom of the deep waver doesn't really have a thing, So yeah. Anyways, I take a huge layer or half of my head into a bun and clip it. And when I start to crimp my hair, I don't crimp it from the top. It's kind of like a little bit less than that. And then I just basically do the same thing all around, all three layers. For the last top parts of my hair, you can see here that I take a little thinner parts of hair, and then I do not take it all the way to the top. I mean, I don't start crimping it from all the way to the top because it looks more natural that way, and less crazy. Because the first time I did that, well, it looks crazy because I did it from the top. In the end, I just do a little zhuzhing and a velumaging to make sure it be looking beautiful and gorgeous. Okay guys, so that is it. That was like a long time, right? But I got you. I sped it all up. That's how it goes for all around. I did 3 total of layers just so I can get every bit of my hair. For me personally, this will last until I wash my hair, and I wash my hair like every week. Actually, you know what? It's less than that now because I got grow outs and roots and it gets oily faster. I did not put any products at all to set it. I guess I should have, I just don't like sleeping with like hair products, and since I don't wash my hair every day, it's kind of gross. I really had fun crimping my hair, and I think you will too because it looks gorgeous and peachy and wavy. Okay, stop. Today is a Friday. We're gonna go eat. And oh, actually, you know what? I'm gonna do my nails because look at my nails. Look at this. This four right here had to be cut because I was helping my daughter take off her earring. It's like a screw back earring. I guess it's really a cool concept, but with tiny ears, it was so hard to take out. Oh my gosh, or you know, to put in and stuff like that. And I had my nails were this long, so I had to cut these right here. Now my nails are messed up, so I'm gonna go out later with my friend to do our nails, and I'm excited. I think I'm gonna do rose gold, maybe. This is the color I ended up choosing. It is so beautiful and definitely a fall themed. At first I wasn't sure what color I should get, and I wanted this color that I have, and then I was like maybe this one and then maybe this one, but I was like nah, that's too glittery. I'll do that for Christmas. So me and my friend have like this fall theme going on, even though my hand looks like a werewolf next to hers. And guess what? When the nail lady got the nail polish color, guess what it was called? Pumpkin spice. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.